address over. Talk to her about.
I know. I suppose that's not the solution.
All right, hello. Is there an application in this?
Yes,
case? Okay. Probation, there's an application. Court is calling 2025 CR 006045 State versus Lily Herrera. Can I have parties announce?
Lindsay Shaw for Miss Herrera.
And are you Ms. Herrera?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Herrera, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Herrera, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with possession of controlled substance penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? I'm sorry. Did you intend to give up the right to jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain silent? All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Herrera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. According to the plea, there's $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, the MRT, and the DOEP course. You understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, Ralph receipts exhibit 1 and all.
No objection.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only judge that she does live in Corpus Christi, so we ask that her probation be transferred to Nueces County.
Okay. All right. Do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
18, 14, 11.
All right. Do they live with you or someone else?
They live with me,
All right. Who are they living with now?
my mother.
All right. Is there a child protective services case involved with
No.
this? And does your mom live with you?
Yes,
Okay.
She does have support here with her. Her boyfriend and her grandmother are here in court.
Okay. Thank you. So how long were you in Fair County before this incident?
just 2 weeks.
Okay. And who is the Leslie person who was in the vehicle?
It was only hers. But
Sorry, what?
there were hers.
No, I mean, who is she to you?
Nobody.
Okay. And was that her vehicle you were driving?
No, it's mine.
Okay. And what were you doing at the detention facility?
I was taking her to go see her boyfriend.
So it's Dominguez State Jail. Yes, whenever you go onto prison property, they
I
will
didn't-
search the vehicle.
I didn't-
Okay. And so, and I always ask questions because I'm trying to figure out what conditions are appropriate for people. So when you were driving her to Dominguez, your children were in Corpus? They were here?
No, they were in Corpus, grandmother.
Okay. How far did you go in school?
11.
All right. So what do you do for employment?
I was a provider.
All right. So in this court, you know, I don't allow people to be home healthcare providers.
Been there for 2 years.
Okay. So, other than being a home healthcare provider, do you have any dreams, goals, hopes, ambitions?
Well, I'm gonna look for a new job. That most definitely.
But I mean, what's your dream job?
If I could build up my credits, I could like invest in like homes, trailers, so I can.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court will transfer to Nueces County. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. 3 years deferred adjudication. No contact with Leslie Silguero, Silguero. There's to be 120 hours. All right, you have me, Avashan?
Judge, transferred to Lake County, no unsupervised contact with minors, no contact on a free.
Silguero. Silguero. 3 years deferred adjudication. 120 hours of community service hours. I'm going to require parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, the 20 hours will be deemed satisfied. You can obtain your GED or some sort of trade school certification. If you do that, then the remaining of the 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, the MRT course, DOEP. And probation, I don't know if they do field visits there, but if they do field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No,
All right. Did you review trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You have children who are depending on you. The range of punishment for this offense, if a motion to revoke is filed, is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. From here on out, everything you do, if you're not doing it for yourself, do it for your children. Be on the straight and narrow. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back here to me. Okay.